boro ror logri manka tai bom hai obos tangi jong
TSF jeng Jeffro borongni appeal nukha the 23rd October 2025 o statewide strike kabangma demand sonte they up points kabangma bisingo TSF since 1968 very clearly chini demand tongo illegal migrants sing nini roman script for kok borok sing boni bagai sing TSF full support sing mia pro sing press release khaika tini bu sing oro simia oro capital state was simia hathai kotor kereng jagawa chini TSF ni leaders rock borok support full support khaijak sing ground tongo boni bagai sing TSF 1968 ni simi demand tongo tonga ba tei borok na hambaya for civil society no borok o initiative na gai o je movement na carry out khai tongo boni bagai sing TSF jeman sak sing full support khaigan hali chang tin nokaga
tawsa goratei buku dolda toli tong tai bom hai परिस्थिति
tabuk goratei to rail rok bujoton blockage nei khnago chini team aro sogijak hatai kotor go kahan nei chwaso go but government they should be very clear CM statement nokha strike ro khagai mungsa success mangla khane but I want to tell the CM very clearly chung chini movement Tuesdays is missing very peaceful boni pore student movement sung TSF chengka after that silai tegi sung chini movement chengjaka I want to ask the Chief Minister of State do you want the youth to be unpeaceful again nung sago chung peacefully protest khaigan thangai tongmago bu nung chung no ka sokangke they was like silai ti filai youth that is my question to the Chief Minister of the State he should understand what are we facing boni bagai but clearly all the demand on the borok masukang if not in the future youth siring tongla khane angkha khaige mirok nugi ni mano Nepal hai hago Manipur hai hago Bangladesh hai hago tumangai tong youth has taken the initiative so government of India angtheng Tripura state ni government angtheng they should be very clear what they want from the people and the youth of the Tripura
main demand of
demand of the illegal migrants Roman script for kok borok the tripartite agreement amorong chung taking a line permit of Nukha. So definitely I'm going TSF to full support Nukha because for greater interest of people, TSF since 1968 greater interest of people, they seen student bans some high fight all points fully support Kaiga. And we believe that government of India that in if not we want peace and we are peace loving people since Hantimus of Tiprahawa Hayake. This one is Tumang no government of Tirupati, the government of India will be responsible for that.
Nungku yang Riwikha, bazar of Bandh, Agartala bom hai obos
angkha khaina capital state hai go jong oro jaga asogoi blockade khaima khang success ne hole and Tripura rajya to ungine tongo kereng jaga wo I believe strike simi successful ba India but government should be responsible borok talks ma chole ronai and demand should be fulfilled then definitely all movement successful hai jong kha khai